Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring your MacBook Air is ready. Check macOS is up to date and the battery has enough charge. Once done, open Control Center or System Settings and turn Bluetooth on so the radio is active. Make sure the device you want to pair is in pairing mode. Follow the manufacturer steps for that. You're initiating the link now, not merely preparing. This gets both devices discoverable so your Mac can find and list the peripheral immediately. You'll now pair and configure. Find the device in the Bluetooth list and click Connect or Pair because that triggers the handshake. When prompts appear, accept or enter a PIN. This authenticates the link. Once connected, make sure to configure usage. For headphones or speakers, go to Sound Settings and choose the device for output and input. If you're using a keyboard or mouse, test key presses or clicks to confirm responsiveness. If needed, rename the device in Settings for easier future access. Finish by testing the connection. Play audio, type, or move the cursor so you know everything works. Once done, enable any auto-connect or priority options so the device reconnects smoothly in future. If the device fails to function, make sure to try basic fixes first. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot the Mac, or remove and repair the device. These steps clear transient errors. If problems persist, reset the Bluetooth module via Debug in the Bluetooth menu, and then pair again to restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.